So I was doing vacuum cleaning and I started singing. I started behaving like a crack mate.
You started doing at that point of time.
Yeah, nobody was there. I was just doing it to entertain my friends. So I was singing a song and I was like, la 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 woo. That was me. And then everybody was laughing their guts off and my teacher entered.
मुझे बताओ बिना आपसे इतनी मैच्योरिटी कहाँ से आती है? आप तो
मतलब
बहुत
पता
छोटी हैं
नहीं
अभी
यार।
यार। मतलब you are barely 23, 24. I think not more than that.
I'll say experience.
लोगों को ये बात अगर समझ में आ जाए ना
Yeah.
कि इंसान सही है लेकिन सिचुएशन गलत है।
True.
This is what you said?
Exactly
इंसान
right.
सही है, उसमें गड़बड़ नहीं है,
Exactly
सिर्फ सिचुएशन गलत है। अगर वो
Or
सिचुएशन
यार situations mold us.
Exactly.
You know? अबे तू यार so from ये वो
क्या मतलब बहुत कुछ बोला?
नहीं from like happy go lucky suddenly एकदम
दुर्गा
कुछ
माता
अंदर से कुछ आ गया भूत
काली
वूत।
माता आ गई।
और
3 life lessons that you've learned and you would want to share it with everyone.
3 life lessons. I think one is always fight your way through. Do not indulge in something that's crazy. You know, like ये करने से पहले ये. You know, feel if you're feeling any kind of sadness, pain, any kind of hopelessness, go through it. I actually believe, you know, when people cry,
Yes.
I'm like, people are like, don't cry. I'm like, why? Why
Correct.
don't cry?
Yeah. Just
Let
let
them
it- let
cry.
it vent out,
Let
yes.
them cry. Let them feel it. They're never gonna be fine until they feel it. You feel, you cry, you fall on the floor. Just don't go to extreme, you know, extents, and feel it to get over it. Always. It's the saying goes like, grow through what you go through. That's one.
क्या बात है? Grow
Yeah.
through what
Yeah,
you go
it's a-
through.
it's
So
a very
nice.
famous saying.
Because you have to go through it, then only you'll grow.
to, you
Yes.
have
So beautiful.
Second is basically kindness is extremely important. We give so much importance to the world over here. We never know what's going to happen after life. You know, we have to pay for everything. There's karma, there's everything. Be kind. Be kind. You know, you cannot just you cannot have this negativity towards people. You
Correct.
have to get over it, you know. Third is just fight. Like, be a fighter. Like my mom says, be a fighter. You know, do not get scared. Be fearless.
क्या बात है?
basically.
मॉम ने सिखाया.
Yeah, she
कमाल की
taught me
बातें
to be
सिखाई
really
हैं.
fearless. Like genuinely.
I think it's extremely important because सब चीजें आप कर सकते हो लेकिन अगर आपके अंदर fears है ना तो कुछ भी हासिल नहीं होगा.
Absolutely, you
I
have
mean
to be
that being
fearless.
fearless, I think it's the most important quality, and I rate them amongst above all.
Yeah,
you
you
know,
have
it's
to be
beautiful.
really confident in,
Yes.
in whatever you're. If you're good at something, you go for it and you go for it with all your confidence.
Perfectly
You know
fine.
where if you do a job that you're good at,
Correct.
that's your passion. You're
Yeah.
lucky.
Absolutely.
You know, it's a good thing that you can turn your passion into your job and your earnings.
Yes, so
So
nice.
it's great. Be confident and just go for it.
Go with the flow.
Go
Go
for
for it. Yes.
Yeah, boy.
How adventurous are you?
Car
racing का बहुत शौक है ना?
Car racing.
मैंने कुछ photos देखी Instagram पे.
Oh yeah. I was shooting for. I'm hosting Trackstar,
अच्छा,
right?
you're hosting
In
hosting
MTV show.
Trackstars.
They're stuntmen. So गाड़ी ऐसे उल्टी पुल्टी कर देते हैं. I was like, मतलब क्या पकड़ के? My co-host is too funny. Be like, अरे मर गया रे. ऐसे पकड़ के. You know, गाली वाली सब कुछ. I cannot say that over here, but too funny. So I've had a
But
blast.
otherwise, how adventurous are you?
Super adventurous. I have gone on solo trips and all.
New York.
Yeah.
We saw it.
Solo
वो
trips.
पहली बार था या उससे पहले भी गए थे?
पहली
कभी?
बार.
पहली बार था. कैसे ये thought आया सोलो ट्रिप पे जाने का?
I went to New York. I had some work to do there.
Okay.
But that was for 2 days. And I was
Okay.
like, no way am I going there for 2 days, man. Like, I'm extending my stay.
Correct.
I spent all my money. Went for it. My mom was like, dude, we're gonna be beggars by the time you come back. Like,
क्या किया shopping?
shopping, no, change my hotel straight. मतलब नहीं मुझे ये होटल में मुझे ना शौक ऐसे ये होटल मिला. I misguided. There was a hotel I went to in New York years ago. That time it was the best hotel.
हाँ.
Unfortunately, it had become really bad.
हाँ.
मतलब
Over a period of time.
यहाँ क्या होता है ना, best hotels are best hotels. उधर ना unless it's like a chain of hotels like a New York hotel, they could change. So
I
it
get it.
suddenly become really bad.
हाँ.
So I changed my hotel. There my mom paid. Changed it to a good hotel. There my mom paid. She's like, so now I've paid for your hotels and now your spending is gonna start.
I
right
know
now."
exactly.
I'm like, I was like, let me have fun. She's like, okay, have fun.
But
And I
how was that
enjoyed.
experience of
I loved
solo
it.
trip?
I loved it. I used to wake up at 6 o'clock. Right now I can't wake up. I used to wake up at 6 o'clock. Get out, get
Yes.
out. It was amazing, for
Amazing,
me.
yes.
My best part was I used to go out, full of adventure. I was always alone, meeting people once in a while. Hi, hello, go back. I used to come back to my hotel room by 11 o'clock because I didn't want to roam around streets alone at night.
Correct.
I used to come back by 11 o'clock. Anyway, those people over there are like, hey girl, you're looking fine. Your number, give me a number. No, bro. So I used to go back
No,
home.
bro.
I used to be like, 999.
What was this? Do this again?
999. I should run away. Walk. So I came back to my room. I used to watch Friends and I used to go to sleep. Nice sleep.
What is your biggest flaw, according to you?
Overthinking sometimes.
But you have stopped doing that because that's how the
It
anxiety...
comes and goes. Yeah,
Achha, it comes
yeah.
and goes.
Everything कुछ ना progress जब होता है ना, it feels good.
Correct.
तो अगर कुछ चीज reduce भी हो रही है ना, I would give that a big go.
Of course,
because
yes.
It's,
Growth.
It's
also.
growth. It's
Yes,
just progress.
absolutely. 60 seconds and we have these placards. इस पे एक शब्द लिखा है. शब्द मतलब word.
कौन सा word?
हाँ, वो बता नहीं सकता मैं. So आपके ज़हन में जो भी पहला thought है, you can just blurt it out. Perfect.
कुछ है ही नहीं.
सामने लिखा है humanity.
Oh, this. Humanity. मुझे कहा all of them like that. Humanity. I can say anything.
You can say anything. Whatever was thought that comes to your mind.
Important.
Important. Okay.
Faith. Required.
Faith required. Okay.
Yeah. Soul detoxification vacations.
Oh, give it to me. मैं करता हूँ.
Okay, you're gonna do it.
हाँ, because wait, let's do this. Music.
This is difficult when you're asking it. Music.
Sorry, we
No,
go back to
it's better if it's
better,
difficult.
yeah.
Music, soothing, because I love soothing music.
Fantastic. Miracle.
People who fight cancer.
People who fight cancer.
Yeah.
Okay. Relationships.
Complicated.
We will discuss this. Family.
Forever.
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 You are absolutely strongly bonded to your family. Forgiveness.
I do that a lot.
You do that a lot?
No, I shouldn't do that a lot anymore. I used to do that a lot.
Again, we come back to this.
Yeah.
God.
Best friend. My best
How
friend.
nice.
Yeah.
How nice. He guides you all the
I
time?
talk to him. And people think I'm crazy. I'm like, God, you cannot do this to me right now. Don't do this to me right now. Who are you talking to? Talking to God.
How
like I
nice.
talk to him.
talk to
I
him.
feel his presence.
He's
so
your-
it's-
he's your
yeah.
best friend.
Yeah.
Friendship.
Friendship, school friends, college friends. क्या बताऊँ यार मैं
Friendship
impression-
मतलब school friends, college friends.
Yeah, because they come to my
Acha,
mind.
depth of friendship
when-
is through
yeah.
them. Life.
Life, a great thing to have. Never
How nice.
lose it.
Love.
Love, beautiful.
Goals. Relationship goals.
Relationship goals.
कुछ है?
No, I've not found any relationship goal kind of people yet in my life.
How nice. Spirituality.
I believe in it.
You believe in it.
I believe in it.
Self-love.
Too much. Like way too much.
वो Instagram पे नजर आ ही जाता
Two types.
है. Poo types.
तुम्हें कोई हक नहीं बनता इतनी खूबसूरत लगो. That stoats me.
The
See,
second-
Manju is wasting time laughing. You count this.
Passionate.
He's laughing for 30 seconds after.
Passionate.
Passionate, romance.
Romance. How nice. What kind of a person are you when you are in a relationship?
Half awesome,
Half awesome.
half psycho. I'm just being really
I have
honest.
never heard this. This is such a cute, unique way of specifying it. Half awesome and half psycho.
Absolutely.
Specify and elaborate on this.
It's very simple, yeah. See, I am really fun.
Huh.
Like I'm super fun. Like you can travel with me. You'll have crazy fun. You can watch movies with me. You can hang out. We can make jokes. We can so many laughing moments.
Correct.
Very very generic stuff. Also another when I'm angry or when I'm like, what the hell? This can't happen. Then I go full psycho. What the? You can't do that. And then you can't. Again, the big boss thing. How did Binafsha become like that?
get
Like
it, I
she's
get it.
not. I'm full extreme. There's no gray. There's black or there's white.
White. There's
yeah,
nothing in
there's
between.
no gray.
कौन सी चीज कोई ऐसा इंसान करता है जो आपको गुस्सा आ जाता है? हम वो करेंगे नहीं, मतलब ऐसा नहीं.
I don't like lies.
You don't like, झूठ
Yeah,
पसंद नहीं
but
है.
I'll be honest, I have also lied.
हाँ.
But I always
I do not like lies, but मैंने भी झूठ
yeah,
बोले.
you know, at the end of the day, we love ourselves.
I
We
know.
do some things to protect ourselves also.
Yes, हाँ.
But like, you know, when you and I, there's a point that comes where I'm like, अच्छा, listen, I've lied to you about this. I'm telling you everything.
अच्छा, बोल देते
मैं
हो?
बोल देती हूँ. Yeah.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो अंदर रखा नहीं जाता होगा ना. हाँ.
No, for me, I feel damn. I just let it out. I'm like, but then when I confess everything.
Okay.
Then I don't lie about anything. Then I come clean. And it's not that I would never break boundaries. There has to be a very important reason for me to
To break a
ever
boundary.
leave someone or to. It has to be very,
Very
strong.
deep and
Otherwise,
very
I'm very bullshit taking also of mine is good.
Oh.
Yeah, I take. But there has to be an important reason. Like when you've crossed that boundary, it's like done and
मुश्किल.
over. Yeah.
So basically an extremist कि जब तक बर्दाश्त करना है
बर्दाश्त
तो कर
करती हूँ
लिया.
तो बहुत अच्छे से करती
हाँ,
हूँ.
लेकिन जब
What the hell are you doing? I'm sorry. I take. I always take that.
हाँ.
But then when I lose it, I
then you
lose
lose
it.
it. Shake hands.
You also? Very good.
Extremist.
So we should be.
We should be.
Yeah.
I have another small interesting game for you. Very
Lovely.
small.
Yeah, I love
It's
games.
you love games. So it's abbreviations. So I will ask you and you have to complete. Okay? 60-seconder again.
Okay.
Shobit? ASAP.
As soon as possible.
Nice. DIY.
Do it yourself.
ETA.
ETA.
Yes.
Is this a GK question?
No.
I don't know.
ETA is estimated time of arrival.
When's your ETA? How stupid.
It's for the
Sounds damn bad.
it's for the flights
It
predominant.
sounds like a little disease in your body. How's your ETA? What the hell?
BRB.
I'll be right back.
TTYL.
Talk to you later.
ROFL.
Roll on the floor laughing.
How nice. NP.
No problem.
TY.
Thank you.
OOTD.
Outfit of the day.
PS.
Shit, I know this.
It's simple. PS, you should be knowing this.
Oh my god.
PS, I'm not moving ahead. PS. Anyone? Postscript.
This is what happens, you don't use it too often.
MBA.
Management in bachelor. Right or wrong?
This is the Alia Bhatt answer that she's given now.
Yeah, I told
MBA.
you don't ask me GK questions. I can't even remember PS. What I remember? Okay, tell me.
MBA.
Management and
Masters in Business Administration.
Okay, this
इनका
is not
close-up
going
मेरे
on.
बहुत important है. इनका close-up बहुत important है. What is the MBA? What did you say? 1 second, hold on. We will use
Himanshu,
this.
you do know you're putting the answer of mine, right?
What is MBA? Please say. Please repeat it. Management. What did you say?
I said management and business administration.
It's Masters in Business Administration.
Benafsha knows it now.
Guys, this is genuinely the take that's going up, huh? Yeah. इसीलिए. It's okay, this we know. Masters in Business Administration.
Yes.
is MBA.
Prioritize these 4 things in your life.
Correct.
Myself, career, beloved, family.
Family, beloved.
Beloved.
Sorry. Family, career.
Family, beloved. No.
No, family, career.
Family, career.
Beloved, myself.
सबसे नीचे खुद.
Yeah, obviously.
सेल्फ लव इतना ज्यादा ऐसा तो होना नहीं चाहिए.
देखो बहुत स्मार्ट है ये जो मैंने किया है. Family first because they're always there and family is family.
Correct.
Second is career. टेक्निकली मैं अपने आप को ही रख रही हूँ ना. करियर मेरा ही है ना. What could be better? हैं क्या? Then is beloved because beloved.
Beloved तो beloved ही है.
Beloved.
Beloved.
And then is myself.
Basically in your relationship you're also very adjustable.
I'm very adjustable
Very adjustable.
for certain things.
For certain
Yeah.
things.
Yeah.
And for
When I
certain
lose it,
people.
I'm like, paka band kar main.
What's your biggest regret in life?
I think my biggest regret would be if I have hurt people.
अच्छा, okay.
Yeah, not just one, but multiple. If I have given them some kind of pain that's really put them through a lot of craziness in their head, then I would, if I go back in time, I would want to handle that in a better way.
Most embarrassing moment in life?
So many. Every day it happens to me. Have you seen me? All the time it happens to me, dude.
Yesterday only bloopers
Yeah, told.
on Instagram story.
All the time. I embarrass my own self in my stories. Yeah, woo, woo. What is that to be embarrassed? Nobody has the power to embarrass me because I do it myself.
So much.
And I bet on my life you can't do it more than I do it to myself.
मैं अपनी सारी कसर खुद ही पूरी कर लेती हूँ, आपकी कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
True that.
Okay, I want you to close your eyes for 30 seconds. And मैं एक सवाल पूछूंगा.
Oh my
Don't
God.
get scared.
ये वो प्यार वाला नहीं है?
नहीं,
कौन
नहीं,
दिख
नहीं.
रहा है and all?
क्या?
आंखें बंद कर दो मैं पहले कौन दिखता है? All
नहीं,
I know. Thank
No,
God.
There's no film going on here. Don't worry. So मैं सवाल पूछूंगा. So जो सवाल का जवाब सबसे पहले thought आए, you can just.
Because I see only black when I shut my eyes.
It's okay.
Yeah. I don't see
So
anything.
only for 10-15 seconds we'll also do.
Okay. You'll ask me one question.
One question I will ask. So जो भी पहला thought आएगा, whatever visual comes to, you can blurt it out. ठीक है? कोई ऐसा समय या कोई ऐसा वक्त जहाँ खुद को बेहद अकेला पाया हो या फिर महसूस किया हो और कहीं ना कहीं हेल्पलेस, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, इरिटेटेड, इस तरह की क्वालिटीज़ ने सराउंड कर लिया हो खुद को, कोई ऐसा समय, कोई ऐसा वक्त था?
Can I open my eyes
You
and
can open your
answer
eyes,
this?
yes.
Yeah. In fact, literally you've described my situation where I was in a phase जब मुझे लगा कि what do I do? Like मैं, I'm like so stuck. How will I come out of this? It was only that's when I've always believed in God, but I really have only Him to go to because everybody's parents have their own problems,
Perfect,
friends have their own issues, everybody's doing their own thing.
Correct.
And at the end of the day, there is nobody that listens to you like God does, without judgments.
Without
I
judgment,
feel
so nice.
so non-judgment, somebody that's not judging me if I talk
Correct.
to Him.
Yes.
Because it feels like He's just listening and He
Yes.
gives me signs.
Signs.
I
Oh,
get
wow.
lots of universal signs.
So nice.
Absolutely.
You read them, which is so
Absolutely.
beautiful.
Why do you think I believe in it?
Yes, yes.
I mean, I do get signs,
Correct,
you know.
correct,
like
correct.
I always believed in Him पहले because मम्मा पापा बोल रहे थे कि भगवान है, believe करो.
Correct.
लेकिन अब it's
विश्वास भी आ
actually
गया अभी.
हाँ, तो there were times when ऐसे लग रहा था कि यार, I have to maybe I don't know see a therapist. क्या करूँ?
कौन सा समय
There was
था?
no
वो क्या था उस
depression.
समय?
I've
That's
never
okay.
been through depression.
But क्या था उस समय में? क्या हुआ क्या था? If
A
want
lot
to-
of things, overthinking, as I
Overthinking,
said.
okay.
And it's reduced because I've realized कि what's the bloody point? It turned the whole hilarious ending of it I'll tell you about before I'll tell you what happened to me. There was a time I was like, मैं क्या मतलब even when I was in Big Boss, I used to kind of मैं game कैसे खेलूँ? And my mind is constantly playing with me.
Correct.
And I felt like I am only sabotaging my own self.
Perfect. Yeah.
मतलब ऐसा लग रहा था कि यार you don't like your own self. But I love my own self and I know that.
Correct.
And I believed in that.
Yes.
Because if I didn't, so there was a time when I was giving my last board exams 2 years ago, very young. I'm still very young.
You are very, very, very young.
My TYBMS, and I was like,
Oh.
and I was in that phase. I was like, how do I handle it? I have to study all night, finish books. कैसे करूँगी? Thoughts will keep coming. How will I answer? When I started the paper when I would start the paper, my hands would just move. And my one math teacher used to tell me this in school, that God is with you.
So nice.
Always. He's the one who's writing the paper for you.
Beautiful.
And I did my job. I learned everything. I worked hard. And I really believe, अगर आप किसी चीज में hard work करते हो, आपका भगवान आपके साथ है.
Correct.
He's going to support you from behind like nobody. So in that phase, I really took that guidance from him. And it was a very helpless phase. It was a very bad phase. I was like, there's a dead end here. This thing is in me, kabhi nahi jayega. But life had its own way. Big Boss for me was, I wouldn't say a bad decision because so much changed after that.
After that, so much learning also
And I've
happened,
never
yes.
felt like that phase again till now.
So
Like
nice.
I felt terrible, but there has been some kind of positive people or some kind of confidence I have in them or some kind of just a change. And I realized that in the house. I went to my friend, told him, yeah, listen, that thing is gone. Like, what thing? That thing. And he knew what it was.
What it was.
So he was so overjoyed,
How nice,
So it was
how
so
nice.
great. It was
How
lovely.
nice. Beautiful. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. Before we let you go, there's a very, very small thing that we would want to give you. Thank you so,
Thank you so much.
so
How
much.
sweet. This is so lovely, yeah,
This is a
guys.
small thank you card.
I love my picture over here more
Yes,
than anything.
it's beautiful. We have written something nice for you. So,
Oh.
yes.
Oh, thank you. Can I read it out?
You want to read it out? Please go ahead.
Okay. Ben, I am sure you know how much I am fond of you. You are a wonderful, warm, affectionate, and truly, I find you very cute and adorable. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time out for us and being a part of SAG Spotlight. We are truly indebted to you. Thank you once again. Love and hug. Love and hugs. We share, we grow. He-Man. Oh, the last part is my favorite. How sweet.
Thank you
How
so much.
गोरी 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 कहीं कभी कहीं नहीं चोरी चोरी
छुप छुप के मिला करो प्यार करो अब यूं ना किसी से कभी हमारे सिवा हमारे सिवा
गोरी 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 गोरी
Oh my god, this is so fun! Hi guys, if you all like this absolutely fun video, then please like, share and subscribe to Share and Grow Initiative on YouTube.
Yes,
And the more we share, the more we grow.
and please introduce yourself.
And I'm Vinapsha.
And this is
सब
Himanshu.
जानते हैं यार मुझे
I know.
और सब जानते हैं, तभी तो हम लोग स्टार हो गए बस. I'm just kidding. I am BJ Vinapsha and that's Himanshu and we had a really fun chat. So do watch it.
Yes, please. Thank you so much. The more we share, the more we grow. इतना सब कुछ अचीव कर लिया है खतरों के खिलाड़ी के विनर झलक दिखला जाके सेकंड रनर अप वर्ल्ड ऑफ डांस चैंपियनशिप के लीड you are the lead in your Desi
Yeah.
Hoppers and he has won that along and performed in America's Got Talent Chinese talk show Day Day
Yeah,
Up में आपका
Day Day Up,
परफॉर्मेंस है
yeah.
और उसके अलावा दिल दोस्ती डांस की तो बातें नहीं कर सकते
Yes.
मतलब वो तो कमाल है कभी एरोगेंस किसी प्रकार का आया नहीं
I think it's because of the training that we were given while I was doing D3.
Okay.
We were told that this is just part and parcel of the business. I mean, आज आपको सब जानेंगे and कल आपको सब भूल जाएंगे अगर आपके पास कुछ काम नहीं होगा तो. And I was very much inspired by Birla Life Insurance ad जो सहवाग युवराज का है जहाँ पर वो बोलते हैं कि जब तक बल्ला चल रहा है तब तक ठाट है.
क्या बात है क्या
So
बात है
that
ब्यूटीफुल
is-
मैन ब्यूटीफुल जब तक बल्ला चल रहा है तब तक ठाठ है
I have read one quote. If talent doesn't work hard work beats talent.
If talent doesn't work hard work beats talent. So nice.
Yeah. So I mean,
If talent doesn't work hard work beats talent. Beautiful.
yeah. तो एक पॉइंट में मुझे पता चल गया था कि भैया मुझसे बड़ा है मुझसे बेटर है तो ऑब्वियसली मैं ऐसे जीत तो नहीं सकता हूँ सो व्हाट आई यूज्ड टू डू इज पहले चिल्ला देता था ताकि मुझे पता है कि मॉम कब तक आने वाली है सो लाइक इफ आई नो अगर मैं अभी चिल्लाऊंगा तो मम्मी 30 सेकंड में इधर तक आ जाएगी तो पहले चिल्ला देगा एक दो मुक्का मार के भैया खा देगा मम्मी छोड़ ही नहीं रहे तो इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दैट सो बट ये है कि आफ्टर पॉइंट भैया ऑल्सो रियलाइज कि क्या कर रहा है आजकल तो और 2-3 मार के फिर बोलता था हाँ मैंने मारा
According to you, what should be a relationship tip?
respect each other that is very important I think in a relationship and give each other space shooting for something or the other and थोड़ा break हुआ था तो हम लोग इधर उधर टहल रहे थे या कुछ कर रहे थे and कोई आया कुछ कहा कि like we really like your work this and that she was very excited this and that she tried to come close like okay भाई आराम से then मैं बाल छूं and छू रही है मतलब एक सेकेंड भाई क्या हो क्या रहा है मतलब I understand you are very happy meeting me seeing me but this is too much I mean if I meet you and do something like that you will say molest करता है शांतनु and what you are doing is totally like the same thing so I'm like so these kind of things have happened 2-3 times